Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming admin access and exporting essential data, because once deleted, some things are unrecoverable. Once logged in, go to the page you control and open settings. Make sure Business Manager does not exclusively own the page. Then check roles so you can remove other admins later, because only an admin can delete. Finally, keep your login available and a backup of important posts and messages. That prevents lost records and speeds the next step. Now you perform the core deletion. In Page Settings under General, select Delete Page and read the confirmation. This explains what is removed. When prompted, enter your Facebook password to authenticate. This prevents accidental actions by other devices. If Business Manager blocks deletion, remove the page from that account first, because ownership prevents removal. Once confirmed, Facebook will schedule the page removal and display the final notice. Make sure you see that confirmation before leaving. Finish by verifying the on-screen confirmation and then checking the page URL. It should no longer be accessible or will show a deletion message. If the page still appears, make sure to clear browser cache and try a different admin account, because cached pages can mislead you. Also confirm the page is not claimed inside Business Manager. If it is, remove that ownership, then repeat deletion. If errors continue, contact Facebook Business Support with screenshots. That usually resolves ownership or...
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.